Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and today we're going to show some happy mail that I have received in this past week, 2 weeks maybe. And some of these you're going to notice that say get well, prayers, that kind of thing. They were sent back when I was sick with the flu and that kind of thing when we got off the cruise. So this one came from Tina, and she lives in Switzerland. I like to forget where you lived. She lives in Switzerland. And it just says, a pineapple a day keeps the worries away. Praying for you. And she says, Miss E, I'm sure you'll be recovered by the time this gets to you, but at least you will know I was thinking of you. Happy spring, Tina. Yes, I feel much better, Tina. Thank you so much. But it was by all of the prayers from you guys that made me get better. Prayer changes things. I love that. Thank you so much, Tina. This is so cute. Looks like you did inking on there. It's beautiful. I love that. Thank you. This is from our sweet, sweet friend in New York. I should say friends because it's sisters. They went on the cruise with us, and we had a wonderful time. Now, this is a little lady, I think, that made this that to look at her, you would think that she had a disability, but I don't think she has a disability at all, because she can craft much better than most all of us can. She is wonderful at it. And this just says prayers up here at the top, and look at all this glitter. She knows I love sparkly things. And it's a shaker card, and it has that little teapot that's pouring out the tea in that cup. Isn't that cute? She is so good at details. She's fussy cut all that out in there. And it's also a box. And then the back looks like a wood grain. And then she has a little card on the back that says, Dear Edith, Marion and I know how sick you were, and we just wanted to tell you that our prayers are with you and that we hope you are on your way to being a healthy recovery. Hope you like this shaker card. It's inspired by all the teachers on the cruise. We miss you and Whit very much. May God bless you always. Love, Melinda and Marion. Look at that. That is so cute. And thank you so much, Melinda and Marion. I really appreciate it. You guys were so, so sweet. I met them the very first day that we were there. When we first got to the ship, Whit and I went up to eat, and they happened to come in and sit down right beside us. It was so exciting. I had never met them. I had seen them post on my videos, but it was so exciting to get to meet them then, and then we had dinner with them one night, so we had a fantastic time. They are two super, super sweet ladies, and I really, really appreciate them, and I'm so glad that I got to know you guys. Love you so much. This one is from Kathy Champion, and I want you to look how pretty this card is. She's got get well, and she's got all this, and it's popped up, and all of this pretty edge die cut there. And then it's got, you've been on my mind, and in my heart, I'm praying for you. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that card. I love it. It's like a box card in reverse, and it opens this way. Isn't that cute? Then on the back she has Created Just For You by Kathy Champion. Thank you so much, Kathy. That is beautiful. All of these cards, I'm going to make a little folio to put all of these cards in. Everything that you guys send me that's not like an ATC, I will be putting in my little folio for my cards and things that you guys send me. Alright, this one, let's see if I can remember who this one's from. Oh, this was from Anita, and she's cut out these little things on the front. This one came around Valentine's Day. I was just kind of saving up until I had enough to show. This is Be My Valentine, and it says, To Edith, Happy Valentine's Day from Anita. And then she sent me a little letter. Let's see. It says, Hi Edith, enjoying your video art craft. Love the bee. So I am sending one of my B for you, B with diamonds. Hope you are doing great. Looking forward to the next video. Thank you. I enjoy you and May May. From Anita Hoskins. Thank you so much, Anita. That's so sweet. And I want you to look. It looks to me like she cut these out by hand without a die cut or anything. And that just shows that you can do these. You don't have to have the die cuts. You don't have to have the fancy cutting machines, any of that. You can do all of this just by hand if you want to. And if you remember, we made a little bee like this with some hearts. And that is what she has followed, I guess you could say. I love all the bling that you put on here, Anita. That is beautiful. Thank you so much. Let's see who this one is from. This one is from Pam, and this is a beautiful card. Look at that. And she has put some glitter on the front. Don't know. There you go. You can see that. This is popped up, this panel. And then when you open it up, it's that card that we made that time that has these little panels in it. Isn't that cute? And it has, Dear Edith, get well soon. Best wishes and kind regards, Pam. I love it. So pretty. Thank you so much. Look at that. I love that. And she rounded these. I like that. I like how she rounded them. See, when you guys send me ideas like this or cards like this, I get all kinds of ideas. I think this actually goes with that card. Let me see. Yes. This came with this card. Hope this finds you feeling better. I messed up on my scoring. Sorry. No, you didn't. Thank you for all you do. Kind regards, Pam Ramoska. I hope I'm saying that right. You know I'm country. Ramoska, I believe. And it's a little notepad or a little, you know, I could journal in there. I could do whatever. But these will go in my folio that I make. And I'll make it on here so you guys can see it. Because somebody might want to make one too. Happy Easter. Dear Edith and family, I hope the joy of the Easter season fills your heart with happiness. Thanks for all the inspiration. Your friend, Christina Emmerich. Christina, thank you so much. We met Christina at Made It Con in September of last year in Tennessee. She is a sweet, sweet lady. I enjoyed meeting you so, so much. And this is a beautiful card. I love all of the coloring you did on that. Isn't that pretty? And this looks like a May May stamp set, maybe. Love it. Thank you so much, Christina. All right, that is what we have got in the mail. Just, let's see. I want to make sure I didn't miss anybody. I don't think I've got anything else. That's what we got in the mail in the last couple of weeks. So, if you want to send us something for us, we're going to start doing a reveal. Probably, if we get enough mail, we'll do a reveal every Friday on our live. So if you want to send us something for us to show, or if you want to send us a project that you would like for us to do or redo on a video, something like that, just send it to us. Send it to that mailing address that is below, and we will show it on our live. And if you do want us to replicate it or make it on the video, on one of our videos or something like that, just put a little note in there and ask us to do that, and we will. If you want it to be shown to other people, we will be happy to. Because I know some people don't like to do videos, but they would love to see their craft done. And I will most definitely give you credit for it. Believe me, I would not do it and take credit myself. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much. You guys are so sweet to me. I really appreciate it. And we will talk to you later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.